Welcome to MabelSoft. So today we're going to deal with how we can create a Lumira dashboard on SAP HANA 2.0 calculation views. Okay, so I'm stepping into the system. So I'm moving to the SAP Lumira. So this demo is used to explain how we can create a SAP Lumira dashboard on SAP HANA calculation view. And we have developed a few calculation views on 2.0 environment, and I'm going to take a calculation view which is related to the sales analysis, sales history, where it contains the information which is related to the sales order as well as the delivery information. Okay, so this is our SAP Lumira. So from here I'm going to create a new document. So here I'm going to connect to the SAP system because my source, I'm going to create this dashboard on top of SAP HANA. So I'm going to connect to the SAP system and say next. Fine. So connected to. So here I'm going to connect to the SAP HANA system. Here I have to give the port or the server information. So we have an server information is the SAP VAS. Okay, I'm selecting the confirmation, and then here we have an instance. Instance is 00, and the user ID is SAP HANA. I'm going to give the password for the SAP HANA server and say connect. Now it is redirecting to the SAP HANA system. So in the left pan, yeah, see here in the left pan we can see select any SAP HANA view. Okay, fine. So here I need to select my calculation view. So before that I have to go to my I have to see what exactly my calculation view is about. So here I'm going to the HANA Studio. In my HANA Studio, I'm going to the content where my package is the MabelSoft. So in my package, I do have a few analytical views. Yeah, I have one analytical view. Okay, and few master data views, and this master data views, which is an attribute view. And as well as because earlier versions we do have an attribute view. Now everything has been deprecated to a SAP HANA calculation view of type dimension. Okay, object category as dimension we can say. No, fine. So here I have a few calculation views. Some are a graphical one, and few are a couple are the script based one. So from this I'm going to take I'll take in the sales history. Let me see what exactly this flow is about. Okay, okay. So let me see from the base. Yeah, here I have an sales view. So the sales view is joined here. This join contains a sales order header and with the item information. And next I have joined this with the material information. And then I have been moved to join this with the customer information to the customer data as well as the plant information. Then at the next level with this information, all this information which is thus information which is related to the sales one, right? So sales is joined with the plant, material, and the customer. And then at this point I'm joining the delivery information with the sales. So here my driving table would be the sales one. So I had the sales information with the delivery, right? Fine. So I will take this example. So let me, yeah, okay. So I'm going back to my Lumira. So what is my technical name for my sales view here? It's a sales CV, sales history, right? Okay. So I'm going back here. Say I will go with the MabelSoft. Fine. The MabelSoft CV sales history. Okay. Then say next. When I say next, in the left pan, we can have the measures, and the right pan we have a dimensions. So there are around 55 dimensions here, and the 7 measures. So for my requirement, I would not be requiring all these fields, because the reporting should be specific to the client, and the client may be not require the entire data from the model. So here I will take a few measures from this point. So I would be requiring the net weight, net value, actual quantity delivered, okay, and the total weight from this point. And from this point, from the dimension perspective, I would be requiring the sales document, I'd be requiring the sales document item, sales document type, okay. And I would be requiring the customer information, material I would be requiring. So I will be having the material number, okay. Then next I would be requiring the customer information. Customer comes under the sold to party, and I would be requiring the delivery. So delivery number, delivery date, delivery item, and delivery type. Okay, these are the information I would be requiring as part of, and I also would be requiring the plant information, because I have taken the plant also. Okay, and I say create. Now what is happening? Now what is happening? Now what is happening? Um, so here we can have, this is my measures, these are the measures I have taken, okay, and these are the dimensions which I have been selected for my report. Then next what happened in sense, I need to add what are the measures from this point. So in this point selections, I would be requiring at the report level, the customer might be wanting on the net value of the sales order, and he would be requiring the information like the actual quantity delivered, okay, which is related to the delivery. And from this perspective, he would be requiring the sales document number, okay, and their respective uh, item might be required, or it differs with the one. So sales document item, or he would be requiring the sale, I will be taking the sales document item. The next I will be taking the delivery also, okay. And I'm mentioning I would be taking the delivery document date as my standard color, okay. So here I'm adding my delivery document date. So once everything is done, see here you can see there are too many data points to visualize, because maximum it will take as 10,000. So just I will go through the table for the displaying purpose. From this point, I'll select the table here. So here you can see the output of the report, where we have a sales document number, sales document item, delivery number for the respective. So for the sales document number 06, we have a sales item as 10, and followed with the delivery. So for this we have an net value, net sales. This is the quantity. So the quantity 4.40 belongs to the delivery, which comes from the delivery, and this particular sale net value comes from the sales order. So this is how we can view the data. Okay, we can view the data in Lumira on top of calculation views. Okay, so just I will try to reduce few things here. I would not be requiring the sales item document. Let me remove this. Okay, date also, I hope date also is